The youngest, this little guy, is on him. And he tried to have sex with the elder one, who is also a male. You cannot recognize, right, that Uncle Jade is a male. Hello, 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 kauwaw baya. I'm not ashamed. That's not the proper way. Concentrate mang maguwang. The elder is concentrating on watching the birds peeping under the door. Na. Uncle Jade will be angry. Yung no? Naglingkod ya. Hey! Why are you doing that?
Observe para, yung alam kita ko, observe para na ko sa reaction ni Jade.
And the others are watching. No, pagod na. What is that, Jade? Huh? What is Shrek doing unto you? Huh? They're busy watching the birds. They're peeping under the door. Yeah? Yeah? Daddy, what's happening? You watching the birds? Ano yun, nag-concentrate? Basta naalay, this one is concentrating. If any bird will go near under this door, he will surely reach for it. And he had done already that. Had already done that. Hey, Chay. What is happening now? Jade? Bird Jade? Wait, wait, wait. Wait, 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 Jade. What here? What do you want? What? You're starting to talk again? What? You finished your food meal already? Jade? Where are birds? There are birds, Jade. Where are the birds? Where are the birds, Jade? Nakakuha na lang ilong. Kay kuwang kuglong. Nain na sinalaksing ko ano, bato.
Gapon pa na.
Where are the birds? Where are the birds, Gigi? Want Mama Kiss to open the door? And catch the birds? Catch the birds? Where are the birds? Where are the forcing himself to go out. Where are the birds, Gigi? Where? No, not allowed. You're not allowed. Kakusgan. So powerful, oh. So much strength, Jade. I tried to open the door a little bit. And he's doing with it with his paw. Very strong. Nagi siguro diyas gawas, nagi bird. Have you seen the birds shake? The kuya also is watching. Where are the birds, yeah? No, birds are not for eating. They need also to survive in this world. DJ, you're lucky that there is a Mama Kiss and a Papa Roland will take care of you. The birds only rely on Jesus, on God, to be fed. DJ. You need to take care of the birds, to let them be, not to eat them. You are not in the wilderness. You are supplied with food already, so you need not eat the birds. that little guy had interrupted our worship because the Human Dad keep on laughing on what he did to his uncle. Jake did not even recognize that his uncle is a male. Now he'll be playing again into the elder Calico. Tika, health is disturbing you again? That's all for now, guys. Thanks for watching. To all the precious people all over the world, thanks for watching and subscribing our channel, Precious Cats of Mama Keys, that you may add up to our 216 subscribers yet. Thank you for making some encouraging comments, and thank you for hitting the notification bell so that you will be notified on our future vlogs. Thank you for sharing and liking this video. Thank you to all the precious people all over the world. God bless. Say thank you, Gigi. Say thank you.